So this was the question up here which I tried to solve, but I found this answer. But all you need to do is you can simplify this answer. So let me first tell you how I differentiated it. So sine to the power nx into cos nx by sine n. So this was, we have to differentiate this. So how I differentiated it, first I applied UV rule. So for UV rule, if I take sine to the power nx, I hope it's visible. Sine to the power nx has u and cos nx has v. So we'll get sine to the power nx, I will keep as it is, u into dv by dx. First I will take out. So this is my u sine to the power n in nx and into n minus sin nx. Now how I got this term, that I differentiated cos nx. So to differentiate, what is the differentiate derivative of cos x? It's minus sin x. Since we have minus nx here, so it will be minus sin nx, and after that we will differentiate nx. So on differentiating nx, I got n. So we have completed the part u into dv by dx. Now for the part plus v into du by dx. So first I will write v as it is, and then what I will do, I will differentiate sine to the power nx. To differentiate sine to the power nx, first I applied power rule, means I brought the power in the front and reduced sine's power by my 1. So it will be n into sine to the power n minus 1x. Similarly, now in chain rule, now according to chain rule, now we have to differentiate sine x also. What is the derivative of sine x? It's cos x. So I have applied the chain rule. First I differentiated sine to the power nx as a term, where I kept sin x as t. Now t to the power n, what is the derivative of t to the power n? N will come forward, t to the power n minus 1. Now I differentiated t, which is sin x for me, and on differentiating t, which was sin x with respect to x, I get cos x. So now I rearrange it and write it neatly. So this is the same thing which is written in the previous line. So all we need to do to remove this minus sign from here and make it in a bit good form, we may simplify it further. So what I will do, I will take this term common. Okay, so on taking this term common, n to the power sine n minus 1 x cos x into cos nx, and when we take out sine to the power n minus 1 from this term, what we are left with, we are left with sin x. So it is minus of sin nx into sin x. Okay, and n was also taken out common. So as you can see, this term reminds me of something. So what does it reminds of? It reminds me of the formula of cos a plus b. Okay, it was the formula of cos a plus b. So where a is my x and b is nx. Okay, so it can be written as n sine minus 1 x Now this term can be written as cos of x plus nx. You can also take out x common from here and you will get um, n into sine to the power n minus 1x into cos n plus 1x. Okay, so this will be your answer. Let me write that also. My final answer will be n sine minus 1x cos 1 plus nx nx cos 1 plus nx. So this is the our answer. Okay, thank you.